Hey guys, it's Tom with Tractor Tools Direct. I'd just like to share a few things with you guys about the difference between a typical larger round bale and our mini round bales. A big difference obviously is going to be size and weight. This guy is going to be your typical bale. Let's say you have 5 acres of land and you have somebody down the road come and do your hay. You might see a bale like this sitting out in your field. Now if you have a 25 horsepower tractor, there is no way that you're going to be able to pick this bale up. Whereas with these mini round bales, it's very easy. 30-pound bale all the way up to about 55 pounds. You'll be able to pick those up, kick them around, roll them around, take them on a trailer, go feed your animals. If you have horses, cows, sheep, goats, alpacas, we even have some customers that do it for rabbits and making pellet. So there's a whole bunch of wide variety of ranges why you would want a smaller bale over a larger bale. Now there are plenty of reasons and purposes why you'd want a larger bale over a mini round bale too. So for most of our customers, we have a wide variety of implements that we can make custom packages for you, anywhere between the 55, 60 horsepower range all the way down to 20 or 15 horsepower range. So the biggest difference I just wanted to show you while we have the two bales here. We're out here in the field in Midwest Indiana. We're baling about 1.5 to 2 acre plot right now. So we might get with 30-pound bales, maybe 60, 70 bales today. So just wanted to show you the difference between the two and why you would want one over the other, depending on your field acreage and your herd size, type of animals, what kind of material you're baling, whether it be down south and getting pine straw to baling up your leaves in the summertime. There's a wide variety of why you could use our mini round baler. You can fit into a spot where the tractor and this baler would have a very hard time fitting in, where our implements can fit on a much smaller tractor, use way less fuel consumption during that process, and fit into paddocks and small docks of a whole wide variety of different kinds of field layouts, where the bigger equipment just would have a hard time getting that material. So other than that, check out our website. Let us know what you want to see. If you have any questions about our implements or anything that we have to offer, we very much thank you guys for watching the videos. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and let us know what you guys want to see on the next one. Thanks again. Have a good day. Hey guys, it's Tom from Tractor Tools Direct. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, check out our Facebook forum, and comment on any topics you'd like for us to cover in the future.